cracking.
Hello, welcome to another exciting season of 7023 Adventure Vlogs. We are here in Breckenridge, Colorado. It's pouring down rain. This is our log cabin right back here. Again, we went with the family that I always go. Went to Branson and the Disney cruise. But yeah, it's brutal, and we're taking the gondolas up there, and yeah, we'll talk about it more later. All right, so now the hill has slowed down a little bit. We are walking to the bus stop to get to the gondolas. And the bus and every public transportation, as you know, still require masks. So yeah, and I'm not excited about that. But yeah, so I probably won't be filming the bus. But yeah, I'll talk to you more when we get there. Here we go, we're going up. There's a nice view.
Stations around that Shock Hill, which is where we were.
Okay, so we are here at the top of the mountain. We got a long ways up there. We stopped at 3 stations, and yeah, we have some alpine slides over here, some ski lifts over there. But I don't know if we're doing those or not. Probably not. But yeah, I'll show you more of downtown later. Here we are. We're going back down. It's great. Here's station number 2. The huge hotel over there that we wish we could say, Crystal Peak Lodge. And going down, looking at all the trees again. We're approaching station number 3 now. We're stuck. Going back down, here's the station again. Look at this view. We're getting closer to the station now, and yeah, we'll talk more later. Take a look at this map. Got a nice little mountains of peaks up there with obviously snow at the top. There's some legends and lift staff mountain stops. Tallest one is 12,000 feet. And yeah, take a look at this river. Got a little map. Welcome to Breckenridge. And some alpine gardens. Well, take a look at that big old lake. That waterfall over here. I'm careful, I do not want to drop this. Goes under here, goes under to that bridge down there. But yeah, there's some stairs that go up there. But yeah. Okay, so here we are, downtown Breckenridge. Excuse me. We were just up the stairs up there at the Empire Burger was the name of our was the name of the restaurant we just stayed at. But yeah, we see it's a nice area of downtown Breckenridge, and didn't have very much to do here. But tomorrow we go whitewater rafting. Sorry, that Dodge Ram is a little loud. It's a diesel truck, I think. But yeah, we'll be going. I'll vlog more tomorrow while we are whitewater rafting.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright, so we just got done whitewater rafting here in Buena Vista, Colorado. So yeah, I was almost going to take the GoPro, but I realized I missed one piece. I was missing one piece for it. So yeah, my apologies, but and I wouldn't have been able to put that anyway on YouTube anyways, because yeah, there wouldn't be a interesting. All we would have heard was directions on left paddle, forward, like that. But yeah, I am but we are in the middle of a little gravelly area. We got some buses over here. We got a bus over here. One of the buses. This, I think, is the bus that we rode right there to and from whitewater rafting, and yeah. But yeah, my apologies. Wasting no time whatsoever. The main gift shop is right here. Some like whitewater rafts. This is like what we rode in right here. Some stuffed animals. Some ice cream here. Originally, this was when I did see a dog over here earlier, a big white one, but some photos of whitewater rafting. And some shirts. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this adventure. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.